activities. If the church next to you, or the mosque next to you, or the gurudwara next to you is in a position to spend X number of rupees or X number of dollars for whatever they think is important and for the causes they relate to, why are Hindu institutions unable to do so? Most of us arrive at the simplistic and ignorant conclusion that because dene ki niyat hi nahi hai, or that we are not interested in, that is wrong. Unfortunately, our hands are tied. This is something that we need to understand. Hindu institutions are under state control, therefore they do not have the kind of freedom that other institutions have or other communities have in dealing with their own property, in dealing with their own traditions, in spending on their own traditions, in spending on their own community. A padre or a pastor can at least speak with someone who is immediately higher up in the hierarchy and invest in what he calls his congregation, his sheep, his flock, whoever it is. That's what he can do. Can a priest, you ask yourself, have you asked yourself, in any temple that you've been to, can a priest do anything for the devotees or the followers? He can't. The temple administration is entirely in the hands of the state. If we do not recognize the fact that administration of Hindu institutions have been completely eviscerated, emasculated, disemboweled, devotees or Hindus have no role to play in their own institutions, I think we are hurtling towards the extinction of our own traditions and our own way of life.